Hello, my dear viewers, and today we're going to have a look at another interesting unit that has just hit the markets for a very good and budget-friendly price. This unit has access to a wonderful view, and I'll show you the view, guys. This unit is located in the Hotel Bannister. This hotel is rated as a 5-diamond rating, so slightly higher than a 5-star rating. So this is an all-inclusive. You have 24-hour security, the best of services. Everything is top notch. So let's go have a look. Here we are in the lobby of the Hotel Bannister. I'd like to remind you guys, this has a 5-diamond rating. This is a luxury hotel. I mean, just take in this lobby. I mean, it's awesome. You have elevators, all the infrastructure, all the amenities that you need. Also, you have access to a wonderful yachting club. A lot of yachts get parked there, and a lot of people who like to yacht, they hang out at this club, especially during the season, and the season is here from November to April. Also from November to March. This is mating season for the whales. This is when the whales come to the Samana Bay. This hotel offers you the best of services. Everything is included. Usually very wealthy tourists and Dominicans come here to spend their holidays. People from all over the world, from America, Canada, Europe, and other parts of the globe, come to spend time here, rest and relax. So for those of you that own units here in this hotel, have access to everything. You have access to a gym, conference hall, all the restaurants, all the bars, all the pools, tennis courts, kids playgrounds. This unit is up for sale with all the furniture included. So as you see it, this is what goes in with the unit for sale. This unit is located on the 4th floor. So what are the pros? Well, first of all, it has very high ceilings, as you can see for yourself right here. Just have a look at them. You get this feeling as if you're located in a house, but this is actually an apartment unit. Now let's go have a look at the terrace. Here we are on the terrace. You have a very big, spacious terrace. And just look at this view that you have. I do not have words to describe what am I seeing right here and trying to give you through my camera. This is $1 million view. The view always costs more than the unit itself. This is a view, guys. This is the best you can get. This is a view of the Samana Bay right here. Out there in the distance, we have the mountains, a wonderful yacht club, arena itself where a lot of people hang out. And in this bay, you can also go whale spotting and see the whales when they come for mating season. From January until March, a lot of tourists come here for whale spotting. They come to this spot every year to mate. Also, guys, I would like to point out for you, as we look here at the marina right here, we have some villas. These villas are at least 4 bedrooms and more. Each of them is priced for at least $1 million. That is the starting price. But this unit, it has 2 bedrooms, a very large living room. Its surface area is 1,500 square feet with all the furniture included and all the kitchen appliances and all the technical stuff also. All the interior, all the knickknacks, everything is included. So that's the kitchen right there. And now let's have a look at the bedrooms. I like the color palette here, the way they did everything with the light blue. Here we have the closets, and of course each of the bedrooms has its own bathroom. I really like the interior design right here. It's ocean style of design. Plus here you have a very big showering space. And of course each bedroom has a wonderful view. So you can wake up every morning without even getting out of bed, can look at this wonderful view. In my personal opinion, you can't put a price tag on a view like this. Now we're going to walk across the terrace and go have a look at the second bedroom. So here we are at bedroom number 2. The first bedroom had a single bed, queen size bed. Here we have 2 twin beds. Now for the kids, this is probably a very good bedroom. Also here we have some closet space. The closet is right here. And also we have very high ceilings. Have a look, guys. This is very important because this lets in a lot of airflow. First of all, it's very cool in here. You don't really need the air conditioning. And second of all, this combats the mold, which is also very important because it's very humid here in the Dominican Republic. Now here we are in bathroom number 2. We have a very big mirror right here. And right here we have the shower. So my dear viewers, I hadn't said the price in the beginning of the video. Now let's have a look at the numbers, shall we? All in all, 1,750 square feet for a price of $250,000 US dollars. So your price per square foot is $142 per square foot. So be your own judge. Determine if this price is worth for what you get here. I personally believe that it is, considering in what residency you live, all the furniture is included, and that this is a luxury residence, all inclusive. Also, guys, in the description below, I will leave you all the information on how much your utilities will cost. I believe they will run you up per month about $400 something, but don't quote me on that. But you do not forget that everything is included in that $400 something. Electricity, water, you can have the AC running 24/7. That's all included. Plus all the cleaning, all the housekeeping, heating. Wait, you don't need heating. Your gas for your stove, water, everything is included. So this is a great business opportunity if you want to rent out these units. It's very easy to do because this is a very popular place for well-to-do tourists, and they're constantly looking for units here to rent out. The hotel administration will take everything under control for a fee, and you don't have to handle any of the hassle, or of course you can do it on your own. How you deem fit is up to you. This unit will go for about $250 to $300 per night. Let's count some numbers. You bought this unit for $250,000. Let's say you can live here for a couple of months out of the year and then travel for the rest of the year and rent it out and make money off of it and earn money every month from this passive source of income. So this is a wonderful unit, guys. I'll remind you again, 1,750 square feet, $250,000 US dollars. It's located on the 4th floor, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with all the furniture included. If you found this unit tour helpful or interesting, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. So please subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I post all the up-to-date information on life here in the Dominican Republic and all the updates concerning the real estate market here. All my personal information will be in the description below, as well as my personal contacts. Wish you guys the best of everything. Travel and enjoy the world. I wish you the best of luck in everything. This has been Yuri Konstantinov from the Dominican Republic. Have a wonderful day.